What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we're going to go over a quick, brief overview of Baby Doge. We're just going to do a technical analysis and all that good stuff. But definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section and definitely come over here and check out cryptomillionaires.shop for the best crypto merch in the industry. So definitely check that out. And without further ado, let's get straight to it. So, first, we're going to go over the technical analysis here with Baby Doge. So we have broken down below this little support down here around 8Z2750. This whole red area is showing where our supply and demand area is, showing less demand in the area pretty much. So we are seeing that we are barely down anything. It's like only 0.4%. So we're pretty much moving sideways right now. So it's not that bad, as in the last 24 hours. But yeah, as of right now, in the last 24 hours, we're just moving sideways pretty much. But we are trying to get above this little resistance right up here. And this resistance is all the way up here at about 8Z2630. We're at 8Z2543. So we just need to get back above this area here in order to continue our little bullish rally for Baby Doge. Now, mind you, we have the card coming out very soon. Right now, 4:42 p.m. on the 3rd of May. And for you all watching, this is probably morning time for you, more like 5 p.m. for y'all. So this is important because within one day, we're going to be getting the card. And this could quite possibly make Baby Doge bullish and literally invalidate all the bearish thesis that all the people have out there. A lot of people think that, we're just going to continue to crash and go down, down, down more and more. But we're holding really good at this support right down here. And it really is not going any lower right now. And before tomorrow, I don't see us going down below this support here on the Fibonacci at 8Z2200. I don't see us going down below, well, 8Z2250. I don't see us going back down below that area there. So all is well there. All we have to do is pretty much wait for tomorrow so then we can get the card. Now, I don't know 100% if the card is going to cause us to go up because, as you know, the burn will typically, when we get burns, we never really pump on the day of the burns. We typically pump leading up to the burns. So now that we have this next major catalyst, which is going to be the card, the virtual card, there's no telling whether or not it's going to actually, send us to the moon, right? It could send us up on a little bit of a bullish path here, possibly going to 8Z3050, going to that Fibonacci retracement up here. But we're not 100% sure if it'll actually cause us to become bullish. Now, looking at Bitcoin, we could see some other things with Bitcoin leading into Baby Doge. So looking at this, we did just now get rejected at that resistance all the way up here at 28.7K. We actually got rejected there 3 times now. So it's interesting, 3 times within the last 2 days. So you can see here, the first one was yesterday. First 2 were yesterday, and then this one was today. So we got rejected twice. This is interesting, though, because this whole green area is showing that we still have more demand for our supply and demand. If we still have a lot of demand here, that means that next time we come back down here and pull back to this supply and demand area, we should technically have enough momentum to break past this resistance. Now, there's always the possibility that it doesn't do that and that it instead pulls back even more further. Because remember, this is a big, big week for the whole financial market, especially in the US. And this has a lot to do with crypto. If we're looking over here at the Fed press conference, yep, we're getting that Fed press conference today. Now, as of right now, it's only 5 p.m. back in the US right now. It's 5 a.m. in the US right now. It's like 5 p.m. right over here inside Thailand. So thinking in US time, we should definitely have a confirmation sometime in the morning, which will probably be like 5 hours from now. And I'll definitely let you know how the Fed press conference goes in the interest rate decision to see what they decide to do. And then on the 5th, we'll have the unemployment rate, and then they'll talk about that. And that definitely has a lot to do with the current prices of Bitcoin. So it's really good to actually follow along with that. So I'll definitely let you all know what actually happens there. As of Baby Doge, though, let's just go over a brief breakdown here. So up 0.6% in the last 24 hours. We were down 0.4% before this, but now we're up a little bit, which that doesn't really matter. It's not much. But we do now have 1,741,302 holders, so that's pretty good and significant. And yeah, we just been going crazy with holders, literally just so many holders. Like I said, the May 4th will be our card date. And as for Baby Doge Swap, liquidity now at $45.16 million, and the 24-hour trading volume for Baby Doge Swap is now at $521,000. And the last 24 hours, Baby Doge burned is at 7.77 trillion. So that's a pretty decent amount right there. And as for our farms still a little on the low end. I think it's still around 27%. Yeah, 3.8 million in liquidity, so it's still a little bit on the low end. So we'll have to work on getting that up there. And we're at rank 116 now, up 19% in the last 24 hours for Baby Doge Swap. And that's when we're looking at it from the liquidity standpoint. So we're doing good with liquidity on Baby Doge Swap. We were all the way down here at rank 134, and literally within 24 hours, now we're back at rank 116. So that's pretty good. Hopefully we can get back in the top hundreds. But yeah, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Definitely go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And leave a comment in the comment section. Definitely come over here and check out CryptoMillionaires.shop for the best crypto merch in the industry. And as always, I'll be back with another video.